Hey everyone, it's Akili here from Daymak. I'm here to give you some tips on how to safely ride your electric bicycle or electric scooter. If you haven't already, perform the 60-second check on your e-bike. If you're unsure what that is, check out the link below. When you first get your e-bike, practice riding around in a parking lot or a secluded area so that you can get your balance. For electric bicycles, try riding without any throttle or pedal assist until you can get accustomed to it. For electric scooters, put it on the center kickstand when available, and slowly turn the throttle until you get accustomed to when the motor engages. So my first tip is to make sure that you obey all the laws of the road. If you're not sure about the laws of the road, check your municipal transportation service center. When riding any e-bike, you should stay on the safest path so that you don't impede traffic. When riding an electric bicycle, such as the Paris or Vermont, make sure to ride on bike lanes or bike paths when available. If you're riding an electric scooter, such as the Aero or EM1, ride on bike lanes when possible. If no bike lanes or bike paths are available, ride in the rightmost lane as close to the right as possible so that cars can easily overtake you. Make sure to leave a little bit of room between you and the sidewalk to give you some freedom of movement. When making a turn, make sure to use your indicators. For electric bicycle, use your hand signals. Always leave yourself ample room while braking. If you're making a left-hand turn, do so in the leftmost lane. Always wear protective headgear and wear bright reflective light when riding at night. Always use your lights, and if you have LED strip lighting, put those on as well to make sure that you're visible at night. E-bikes are never to be operated while intoxicated. And lastly, do not operate an e-bike with another passenger unless it's fitted to do so, and only do so when you have completely mastered riding by yourself. By following these tips, you should ensure that you have a safe ride. Happy riding!